Ready for a Halloween quiz? What ancient festival is Halloween based on that believed spirits roamed the earth on October 31st? A. Dia de Muertos. B. Samhain. C. All Saints' Day. Answer is B. Samhain. What was the medieval tradition called where people offered prayers for the dead in exchange for food? A. Trick-or-treating. B. Guising. C. Sowling. Answer is C. Sowling. Which object did the character Stingy Jack use to carry a glowing ember after being denied entry to heaven and hell? A. A pumpkin. B. A skull. C. A turnip. Answer is C. A turnip. What is a common urban legend associated with Halloween candy? A. Candy contains razors. B. Candy is filled with ghost dust. C. Candy turns into bugs. Answer is A. Candy contains razors. Which spooky figure is said to appear in a mirror if her name is spoken 3 times in a dark room? A. The Grim Reaper. B. The Lady in White. C. Bloody Mary. Answer is C. Bloody Mary. How many did you know? Let me know in the comments section.